Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome folding EDC knife from CIVIVI. This is the Stormhowl. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CIVIVI for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the size of this knife. So here it is all closed up next to a large permanent marker. And let's rotate this around this way so you get a different perspective on that, just comparing the size of the handle with the marker. And here it is opened up all the way. And let's bring it in this way. Alright, let's bring in a ruler and measure from tip to tip closed, just about 4 1/4 inches long. Let's take a measurement all the way open from the tip of the blade to the end of the grip. Looks like there's just about 7 3/4 inches long overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife so you get a better idea for the thickness of this knife. Right, here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thinner side. Right, so definitely thicker than that. Just by a smidge, but still smaller than a thicker side. Let's get the ruler on that, and just about, looks like 3/8 thick. Alright, let's have a look at the spine here, so you get an idea for the thickness of the blade stock here, and that looks about, just a little bit thicker than 1 US quarter. Let's get it on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at right around 3.1 ounces. And just to give you a weight reference, a full deck of cards weighs about 3.4 ounces, so almost as much as a full deck of cards. This is a flipper lever opener. You can see the jimping here on the lever. On the pivot, we have a cage ceramic ball bearing system, and it is fast and smooth. This is a push button knife, easy to operate with one hand. Let's have a look at the jimping on the thumb ramp area. That feels really nice. I'm going to flip this over. Turn it sideways so you can see how tall they are and how far apart they are. Over to this beautiful clip point blade design. These always look so intimidating. Look at that. I love the aggressiveness of clip point blades. It's got this nice fierce looking swedge up front. Beautiful tip. Nice belly for slicing, and just a small finger trawl up front here in case you want to choke up when you're doing more detailed knife work. Look at this. Adding to the beauty of this knife is this satin finish. Look how it picks up the light. And this is pretty much a flat grind all the way up to the shoulder up here. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, there you go. Easy to maintain and easy to sharpen. Beautiful. Steel being used is Nitro V. This is an excellent mid to high range steel. It's got 17% chromium, so it's going to give you really good corrosion resistance. It's easy to sharpen, easy to maintain. Edge retention is going to be decent, and as we're going to see, takes a really fine edge. Let's have a look at these gorgeous aluminum handles, and look at how the milling just catches the light. Comes in different colors, but I think the blue is absolutely stunning. In contrast with the stainless hardware. Again, these are torque screws. You can take these apart and service them yourself, clean them and lubricate them. Nice curvature on the handle here. Your hand is just going to fit right in there. Look at that. And then what's great about using aluminum handles is it's lightweight and you don't need a liner in the inside when you're using a push button lock. So you save on weight that way. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Here's a look at the pocket clip profile. Right, it is reversible to the other side, but tip up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this is going to look like when you stuff it in your pocket. Absolutely vanishes. Turn that sideways. All right, let's check out the sharpness out of the box here. Whew. Oh, yeah. sharp. Let's try something a little bit thicker like some cardboard. Easy. Once again, guys, this has been the Stormhowl from CIVIVI. This has got everything you need in an everyday carry knife. It's lightweight, compact. You're not even going to notice it's in your pocket. It's got really great steel, takes a really wicked sharp edge, and most importantly, is not going to break the bank. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.